let's get to making this Malibu espresso caramel. Melt 1 cup of sugar until it's a deep amber. It takes a few minutes to start, but then it gets going pretty good. If the sugar starts to crystallize on you, whisk it in. Get aggressive. Don't let the sugar win. This method has less moisture. Add in 5 tablespoons of unsalted butter and whisk that smooth. Warm, heavy cream. It'll spit and fuss a bit, but keep whisking to smooth. Then cook it 2 more minutes. Shucks! Why does that place feel like it's calling at me? Let's see what they have. Sugar. When the universe squints at you, it's either flirting or filing paperwork. Welcome. Oh, here. Hey. Welcome. Buy something. Don't explode telling your friends. Good. Remove it from the heat and let it cool for 5 minutes. Add in a bit more espresso powder. Malibu will give you a subtle coconut warmth behind the espresso. Think espresso martini on vacation. And your Malibu, the little one, 50 millimeters, is just enough. Add it off heat to keep the flavor. And let this cool while we finish up the filling. You can put it in the fridge. Just give it a stir every so often. Good grief, this place is pure malarkey. Pretty. Clearance. There it is. Well, shut the front door. That ain't tourist wear. That's coronation couture. That's new. You can use an open star tip. This is the one we use for meringue kisses. And the Sultan tip. That's a number 5 tip right there. Fill that puppy right on up. We actually had some leftover caramel. It'll go great in our morning coffee or even on ice cream. These are the best the same day they're made, but you can keep them overnight for a make-ahead dessert too. No. Don't remember pricing it. Don't remember ordering it. No. Rats.